Tired of change chaos? Let's build a change calendar in Confluence, linked to Jira, in under 90 seconds. First, open your Confluence instance and create a new page. Give your page a clear title, something like Project Change Calendar. Then, let's choose a template to get started. Search for calendar or try a page with a table format. Inside the page editor, create a main table. This table will serve as your calendar structure. The table headers could be dates represented vertically with your change events horizontally. For the first column, you will add the date. Now, fill the table with relevant columns. Add change description, status, responsible, and any other vital information about the change. This provides a great overview for everyone. Next, let's connect this calendar to Jira. Open a Jira card on a new window and pull the Jira card summary back in Confluence. Choose the Jira issue macro from the page editor, then paste it in the cell related to that event. This will show a linked Jira in the table. Once you place Jira cards, publish your Confluence page. Now, you've built a working change calendar. Everyone can see and instantly click through to the linked Jira projects. You've got a centralized place for planning and coordination. Sharing your change calendar with the right teams is the next step to improve project performance. With Confluence and Jira working together, you can easily track changes, maintain collaborative awareness, and navigate changes easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe.